Hi, friends. Today I'm going to read you a book, 26 Letters and 99 Cents by Tanya Hoban. And what's really cool about this book, it has numbers on this side. See? And then when you get to the end of the numbers, you turn it around and go to the front, and we can do letters. So I'm going to split this book up into two pieces. One for math and one for reading. And we're going to start with our numbers. 1, 2, that's a penny. 1 penny, 2 pennies. What comes after 2? 3, 4. 3 pennies, 4 pennies. 5, 6. 5 pennies. Do you know what this coin is? It's called a nickel, and it's worth 5 cents. So, number 6, 6 pennies, or 1 nickel. Remember that's 5 plus 1 penny, because a penny equals 1 cent. 5 plus 1 equals 6. What number is this? Right, 7 and 8. I have 7 pennies, a nickel, and 2 pennies. 8. 8 pennies, or a nickel, and 3 pennies. 5, 6, 7, 8. What numbers are these? 9, 10. You have 9 pennies, or a nickel, and 4 pennies. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What number is this again? Right, 10. You have 10 pennies, or 2 nickels. That's 5 plus 5. Oh, look, we have another coin, and that is called a dime, and it is equal to 10. So to make 10, all you need is 1 dime. What number is this? 11. You get to make 11, you have a dime and a penny. What number is this? 12. You're going to have a dime and 2 pennies. Good job. 15. You can have 3 nickels, 5, 10, 15. You can have a dime and a nickel for 15. 10 plus 5. What number is this? 16. So you can have a dime, a nickel, and a penny. 10, 15, 16. 17. You can have a dime, nickel, and 2 pennies. For the number 18, you can have a dime, nickel, penny, penny, penny. And that equals 18. 19, 20. You can have a dime, nickel, 4 pennies equal 19. 20. 4 nickels or 2 dimes. 5, 10, 15, 20. Or you can do 2 dimes. 10 plus 10 equals 20. 10, 20. We're getting into the big numbers now. 21, 22. You can have 2 dimes and a penny. For 22, you can have 2 dimes and 2 pennies. 23, 24. 2 dimes, 3 pennies. 2 dimes, and how many pennies? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pennies. 25. You can have 5 nickels, 2 dimes, and a nickel. Or, oh, look, there is another coin. That is 25 cents. So you can just have 1 quarter and make 25. To make 26, you can have 1 quarter and 1 penny. Ooh, look at all these numbers. 27, quarter, 2 pennies. 28, quarter, 3 pennies. 29, quarter, and 4 pennies. And 30. You can have a quarter and a nickel. 35, you can have a quarter and a dime. 40, quarter, dime, and a nickel. 45, a dime and another dime and a quarter. 25, 35, 45. 50, 2 quarters. And they're going to count by tens. 60, you can have 2 quarters and 1 dime. 70, you can have 2 quarters and 2 dimes. 80, you can have 3 quarters, 25, 50, 75, and then a nickel, 80. 90, 1 quarter, 2 quarters, 3 quarters, and a nickel and a dime. 99, you have 3 quarters, 2 dimes, and 4 pennies. That's the math part of the book. I will read about the letters next. Stay tuned.